Lab activity: oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation? Oxidation is a reaction that involves the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. What is reduction? Reduction is a reaction that involves the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Let us try to understand more clearly doing this experiment on copper powder. Procedure: take a tripod stand and place the wire gauge on the tripod. Take about 1 gram of copper powder in a china dish. Keep the china dish on a tripod stand containing wire gauge. Keep the Bunsen burner down the tripod to heat the china dish. By heating the copper powder with Bunsen burner, do you observe any color change in the copper powder? We will notice that the surface of the copper becomes black. In this activity on heating the copper, it reacts with oxygen present in the atmosphere to form copper oxide. The reaction is as shown in the video. Copper plus oxygen implies copper oxide. Here, copper combines with oxygen to form copper oxide. Here, oxygen is gained and the process is called oxidation. To perform reduction process, we needed materials are 2 stands, 2 corks with 1 hole, 1 glass tube, Bunsen burner and black copper oxide. Procedure: take 2 stands and place them as shown in the video. Fix the glass tube in the stand. Now take 1 gram of black copper oxide and place in the glass tube. Fix the 2 corks both sides of the glass tube. Insert a small glass tubes into the corks as shown in the video. Now pass hydrogen gas over the copper and wait for some time. Now light the Bunsen burner and begin to heat the copper oxide in the tube and observe the changes. When all the copper oxide looks like copper, keep heating for a further minute or 2 and then remove the Bunsen burner. You will notice that the black coating on copper turns brown because copper oxide loses oxygen to form copper. In this process, oxygen is lost and the process is called reduction. So, the chemical equation is copper oxide plus hydrogen gas implies copper plus water. In above reaction, hydrogen is gained Such reaction is called reduction reaction. Generally, oxidation and reduction occurs in the same reaction. If one reactant gets oxide, the other gets reduced. Such reaction is called oxidation reaction or redox reaction.